Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 250. If we start with this top row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got the 4 covering these two boxes, so our 4 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 4. That 8 makes this our 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. And I don't see any help. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 6. And no help here, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 9. We've got the 6 here, so 1, 4, 9, 6 and 4 here, so 1, 9, 1 and 4 here, so 6, 9, 6 here, so 1, 4, 9. That means the only place the 6 can be in that box is here. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 8, and 9. We've got 2, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 3. Oh, 2 and 8 there, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 2, 8. With that 3, we can get rid of this 3. With that 9, we can get rid of this 9 and this 9. And that means the only place the 9 can be in this box is here. All right. For this column now, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so 2, 5. No help here. 2, 3, 5, 7. 5 and 7 here, so 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got the 6 here, so 2, 7. That means that our 6 for that column has to be here. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 9. We've got 3, 6, and 9 here, so this is our 4. That 6 and 9 means this is our 3. But I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. With that 3, we can get rid of this 3. For this row now, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 4, 3. With that 7, we can get rid of this 7. That means the only place the 7 can be in this box now is here. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. But this 1 makes this our 6. And the 1 and 6 makes this our 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 2, 1. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. That 9 makes this our 5, 9. That 2 makes this our 5. And we can get rid of this 5. Now the only place the 3 can be in this column is here. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 9, 6. For this column now, we're just missing a 5. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. No. If we are, then we've got a mistake. Let's try going across here. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this row, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here. So yeah, that would make this 9 and 2, and we can't have that. All right, that'll do it for today's puzzle. If you saw where I made a mistake, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.